Hi everyone, it's Jessica here. Welcome back to my channel. Is your English learning journey going well? I hope you keep it up. Today, let's practice real-life conversations. We will focus on simple words and phrases that you can use in everyday life. So, how can this video help you? Listening to real conversations helps you understand how English sounds in daily life. Practicing them makes you feel more natural speaking English. While watching, you can pause to repeat what the characters say or write down new words. Ready? Let's begin.
Let's celebrate Dad's promotion at the restaurant tonight. Kids, I need to talk to you.
Uh-oh, did Sis get in trouble?
No, silly, it's you.
Now, you two. Your dad has something very important to say.
Thank you, honey. Anyway, today at work, I got promoted to manager.
Ooh, does that mean Dad is the boss of everyone now?
Yes, kind of, sweetie.
Congrats, Dad. You finally get your own office.
Thank you, sweetie. And because of that, let's
celebrate Dad's promotion at the restaurant tonight.
Yay! Eat out.
And we already booked a table at the Inexistent. No need to wait in line.
That sounds fancy.
So, go put on nice clothes, kids. We will leave in 15 minutes.
I'm going to wear my best dress for this.
And I'm gonna wear my suit, the one with the tie. I'll look just like Dad.
Table for 4, please.
Good evening and welcome to the Inexistence. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. Yes. Table for 4, please. The name is James Wright.
Ah, yes, Mr. Wright. Table 12. Please follow me.
Wow, this place is so big.
Yeah, it's nicer than I thought.
Here is your table and your menu. Your waiter, Robert, will be with you shortly. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you very much.
Remember, kids, be nice. This is a special night for your dad.
Yes, Mommy.
Congrats again, Dad. This is so exciting.
We are so proud of you, honey.
Thank you all. That means the world to me. Can we have some water, please?
Good evening. My name is Robert. I'm your waiter for tonight. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes. Can we have some water, please?
Of course, Mrs. Wright. And for the young lady and gentleman?
Lemonade, please.
Can I have a soda, please? The Dr. Pepper one.
All right. 1 lemonade and 1 soda. And for you, sir?
I'll have a wine. Thank you.
So, that's 1 soda, 1 lemonade, 1 wine, and water. Are you ready to order your starters and main dishes now?
Yes, I think we are. To start, can we please have garlic bread for everyone?
Excellent. And for your main dishes?
I will have the grilled steak, medium, please.
The grilled salmon for me.
I'll have the risotto and a cheeseburger with fries for him, please.
Yay! Fries.
All right. 1 steak medium, 1 grilled salmon, 1 risotto, and 1 cheeseburger. I will bring your drinks and garlic bread soon.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Your main dishes, please enjoy. Let me know if you need anything else.
Honey, can you pass me the salt, please?
Of course, here you go. Is it not salty enough for you?
Oh, no, it's lovely. I just like it a bit more salty, that's all.
Wow, this is so good. The king of all burgers.
How's your rice, Jenny? Is it good?
It's amazing, Mom.
Can I have a bite? It looks so creamy.
Here, try.
One more bite, please?
No, eat your burger. Unless you give me your fries.
What? What fries? I don't know what you're talking about.
Haha, these two.
How is your steak, honey? Is it cooked how you like?
It's perfect, juicy and tasty.
Can I have a bite, Daddy?
Don't do it, Dad, or your whole dish will disappear in one bite.
This food tastes really good.
Wow, this food tastes really good. I'm so happy we came here to celebrate you, Dad.
Thank you, sweetie. I'm glad you like it.
It really is a wonderful meal. We should come here again.
My burger is the best. But sis?
Still a no, Luke. Give me your fries first.
Jenny, how was your science project? Was it good?
It went great, Dad. My teacher really liked my rocket model.
That's wonderful, sweetie.
What about you, Luke? Did something fun happen today?
Oh, my team won the final soccer game. I scored 2 goals.
Aye, that's my boy. 2 goals.
It looks like we have 3 winners today.
What about you, Mom? You're a winner too, right?
My win is listening to your happy stories while eating this nice dinner.
Thank you. The meal was delicious.
Good evening again. Can I take your plates?
Yes, please, Robert. Thank you.
Did everyone enjoy their meal? I hope everything was good.
Absolutely. Thank you. The meal was delicious.
My risotto was so good. I loved it.
And my burger, it's just gone. Poof!
Please tell the chef we loved everything, Robert. All of it was wonderful.
I will tell the chef what you said. He will be very happy. And can I show you the dessert menu? Our matcha cake is very popular.
No, thank you. I think I'm too full now.
She's right. We cannot eat any more.
Well, all right then. I'll let you relax for a moment. Can we have the bill, please?
Robert, can we have the bill, please?
Of course, sir. I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill. Please take your time.
$124 total. Robert, we had a great time tonight. The service was very good.
So we would like to leave a tip. You did a very good job.
Thank you so much. I am really happy to hear that.
How can I give you the tip? Cash or...
Cash is fine, sir. But if you pay by card, please write the tip on the bill. Many people give 18% to 22% for the tip, about $20. I can add it to your bill.
Ah, okay. 25% then. That will be $30.
Thank you, sir. I will be right back with your receipt. Here is your receipt. Thank you again, sir. It was nice to serve you tonight. what should we do together after dinner?
Okay, everything is done.
So, what should we do together after dinner? It's still early.
Oh, I know. Let's go for a walk in Central Park. It's so beautiful with all the lights at night.
Yes, I can run around. I have so much energy now.
A walk sounds nice. We can walk and enjoy the cool weather.
And maybe we can stop for ice cream?
Ha! I thought you were too full now.
Well, if we walk long enough, we will feel less full. It's science.
Science, huh? I guess Jenny is right. Let's walk.
Okay, a walk and a small ice cream.
Let's get chocolate ice cream.
All right, team. Let's go.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.